welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm at the Sagrada Família, and I have to say this is more impressive than the first time I've seen it. So let's get across this road and let's have a good look at it, because it really is impressive from just here. As you can see, they're still doing the work on the basilica. I can't really see much more that they need to do, to be honest, but it's already extremely impressive. So yeah, but I think it's finished next year, 2026. So Gaudi died on the 10th of June 1926, and his tomb is within inside the basilica. So if you want to go and see that, you can see his final resting place. So Gaudi designed the central tower to be 172.5 metres high. I don't know if you can quite see it right now. And he always believed that nothing man-made should be anything taller than anything nature's made. So the mountain Montjuic in the local area is 177.7 metres high. So he always wanted to keep it lower than that in respect to nature. So a bit more recently, 1984, it was granted World Heritage status purely because nothing in the world of this like has ever been created, which I'm sure you can see how fantastic it is. It really is a unique building and something that will take your breath away when you come to see it. 2010, it was consecrated as a basilica by Pope Benedict, the then Pope. The middle part, if you can see, is the old part. The part on the left there, that is just gone out of shot. That is the newer part by the looks of it, because it's the stone is a lot lighter. But I can imagine even just that part probably took about 50-100 years to build, with all the detail that goes into it.
God, the detail's just amazing when you see it. It's just like, I can't just get over how fantastic the carvings are. When you imagine like all the work that's gone into it, I can understand how it's taken so long to build it. I know they did have the problems, and I think there was a fire at one point, but even so, I mean, you can just see the work that's gone into it. It really is something magnificent that you've just got to come and see. I'm like I say, this is the second time I've seen it, and I'm still look at it and go, wow, how amazing this is. It's being sort of a tradesman myself. I mean, this is above and beyond anything I can do. It's very, very special. So it is just worth to note, if you want to go inside the Sagrada Família, is for a basic ticket it's €26. Guided tour is €30. With towers, I think it's €40. I did try to actually book to go in. You have to go onto an app, so you've got to be sort of quite good with sort of going onto apps and booking for things. The app went down, so I wasn't able to actually go in, which was quite annoying. Yeah, so just walking around it, I mean, all around, just walk down here a little bit, but all around it, it's just so much to see. The detail that's on it is amazing. So it's always good to just have a walk all around and see the difference. Well, this side is different again. Like I say earlier, that there's lots of different sort of stories played out within the carvings of the actual cathedral itself. So I mean, if you sort of stop and look, you sort of see something different every time. It's very impressive, really, the work that's gone into it. I think this building in front, I think that was the school. I think Gaudi had a school built for the workers' children. So he did seem to look after his workers quite well. So yeah, I think that's something he insisted on having done.
If you can just see there, Christ on the cross, it's I love it. It really is impressive, you know, and all the different stories that played out below it. It's really nice. It's very impressive. You can see just over to the right, I think some of that's a bit newer, and then over to the left, I think that's newer part. You see the stone's a bit lighter. Yeah, it's a very hot day today. I've seen even some of the Spanish collapsing and struggling with the heat. I think if heat is something that bothers you, stay away from sort of June to September. That is the hottest period for definite. So thanks for watching anyway. I mean, the video's nearly come to the end, but I'd just like to say it's always appreciated, people who watch my videos and comment and like and share on. Anybody who can subscribe, it really is appreciated, because it really helps me to make more videos. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.